YouTube, SOCCERBOI Nathan. Today is 13th of August. Tomorrow is 14th of August, 2021. There's a C license last class in Niagara Falls, and I'll be attending that class. And also, I had to prepare license session, on-field session for the coaches and the instructor there to show. While I'm getting ready for the license session plan, and I found it's a little tricky. For the outline was not informed really clearly, so I made this video to provide you guys more information about it and what kind of plan I made it. So before I start talking about the plan, I need to talk briefly about the C license. So C license needs 12 classes, and then the 12th class will be on-field session. So 11 classes I finished was done online, and then now I gotta go attend the class which will be done in Niagara Falls. So I need to go there by 8 in the morning, so I think probably I should leave by 6 in the morning. But that's not a problem, so anyways, I can finally finish these classes. Now I'll be trained C license coach. It's been like, what was it? In training status. So after training status, you gotta finish certifying. Certifying will be done through online also, but you gotta send a video with the 12 players or more about the plans or session activities you're gonna be doing. Yeah, that's the step for this in training, trained, and certified. And now we'll talk about the C license on-field session that you're required to bring, and also talk about this form. So while I'm getting ready for this C license on-field session, I found it out there's no form like this that you see from the video. So I made this up. So basically I created it, so I'm gonna share with you guys so that you guys can use. And I think that they use some kind of application or website, this platform, that just generates this automatically. So I think they wouldn't allow you to just download it from there or somewhere, so I just made it up from the Word. And I'll talk about the plan itself, what kind of plans, activities you're gonna get ready. Here, the theme that I was given from the instructor was number 6, players creating space as the GK has the ball. I need to let the players know where to move, what to do. For that plan, I need three basic concepts. 3 basic concepts needs to be included within this session, which are 1, warm-up. Warm-up should be done 3-phase warm-up. So 3-phase warm-up. And number 2, GAG, game activity game. And 3rd, SSG, it's a small side game. So the activity, the whole training session can be done with the game, but the game should be followed after the session that you're given that you need to provide the idea of the subject you need to give to the players. So here's my plan, and I'll explain this briefly how it's gonna go. So here's the plan. It starts with a 3 warm-up session, 3-phase warm-up session. So I have 1, 2, 3 phase of the picture, the thing. So you can make these diagrams from the Ontario Soccer website. It's a continuous movements, technical preparation, and dynamic stretching and possession games. So this whole plan will be done with the ball possessions, drawing. It includes all kind of that, and also I have this plan right attached down below, and you guys can take a look at it on your screen. So I suggest you to download it and take a look at it with me. So you can see 1, 2, 3 how it will be done. And after 3-phase warm-up, and I have GAG, game activity game, coming up right next. It's gonna take 12 minutes. So as you can see, I have all the number of balls and cones and the size and the players. It needs to be really organized. So the main activity that I have, it shows exactly what I want from the players and how to help the players. I added little red cones to provide little limitation for the players to understand what's happening with it. And following up, there's the SSG. It's a 14 minutes game. So after understanding the game, the theme of the training, they will get back into the game-like situation, so they can use the idea right after the training. So after that, I also include a cooldown that was not required from the instruction that the Ontario Soccer gave. but I made it up because I found it from the C license example session. That session plan was exactly looking like this, also including the cooldown session. So I used the idea of that, and kind of it's almost the same but it's a little different. So I made a cooldown session up on it. So I basically have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures, 6 sessions within my whole training session for the on-field day. So this is the idea, this is what's happening with it, and hopefully I understood the right way. I'm gonna bring this and then also try to record the on-field training session day as much as I can. Fingers crossed, hopefully they're okay with that. Yeah, that's it. So I'll be going tomorrow. It's been very bumpy rough for me to getting back to the team and get back into the team and find team to coach or players to coach and connections. But there's not much progression. I'm still doing my best. So this is my another step going forward. So C license that I can be use my name as a trained coach, and also maybe I can find some career path in the soccer teams or anything in Ontario. So yeah. So if anyone coming to Niagara Falls, I usually go by Nathan, but you can call me SOCCERBOI or anything. And yeah, see you there. Thanks for watching. SOCCERBOI Nathan.